y equals to 4 all over 6 minus x squared all square. We are finding the y dx here. Solution from here. From what we have here, we have y equals to 4 over 6 minus x squared all square. We can write this. That this can be written as 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 6 minus x squared all square. And from when we have 1 over a raised to power n, is same thing as a raised to power minus n. As this, we can rewrite this, and this becomes y equals to 4 times into bracket 6 minus x squared, then all raised to power minus 2 here. This is 1 over is serving as raised to power minus here. Then we can introduce the chain rule as this function of a function here. So let's u be equals to 6 minus x squared. Then this equation now, we can write it, and this becomes y equals to 4 times u raised to power minus 2. Now we will differentiate this with respect to x. That is du dx here. Will then be equals to, when you differentiate 6, 0 minus x squared give us minus 2 x raised to power minus 3 on the method of differentiation. So when we differentiate, raised to power, we subtract 1 from 2 here, so this will be raised to power 1. So minus 2x, this will give us minus 2x with respect to x. Also, we differentiate y here with respect to u, so we have dy du, and here this give us minus 2 will multiply 4, that's minus 8, then u raised to power minus 2 minus 1, that's minus 3. So that's from the standard derivative. So briefly, just to recollect that, we are differentiating x raised to power n, that is y equals to x raised to power n, and we are differentiating dy dx from the standard derivative. N will come down here, we have nx, subtract 1 from n raised to power minus 1. So this is what we have used here. The next step here, we have find du dx and also dy du. So we can relate this to find our dy dx. Dy dx now, it becomes, from the formula, we have du dx multiplied by this du dx, then multiplied by dy du. So that will give us our dy dx. So ideally, du cancel each other. We are left with dy dx. So we substitute du dx here. So minus 2x. So we have dy dx now equals to minus 2x. That's the u dx, then times dy du minus 8 u raised to power minus 3. Then we can multiply minus times minus turn to plus. 2 times 8, that's 16. Then x u raised to power minus 3. Then we can substitute back our u here. Since we let u to be equals to 6 minus x squared. So that here we have 16x multiplied by 6 minus x squared, then all raised to power minus 3. So therefore, we can write it the way our question was written and say our dy dx will now be equals to 16x over 6 minus x squared all raised to power 3. So this is our derivative with respect to x. So we have already differentiated this given problem. And thank you for watching. This is Master T Math Class. Subscribe for more videos. Also turn the notification bell in order not to miss out on our videos. And thank you for watching. And see you next class. Bye for now.